Hi everyone, today we have another package from our mailbox. Let's see what we have today. Alright. Okay, first of all we have this. What is it? It's a Chinese console, I think. Yeah. We have this. PCB shell replacement. We have bunch of this whey cables. And we have this PCB 1000 shell. We have this R35s game console. I don't know if it's working or not. Let's see. Where is the power button? Yeah, that's it. We have blue light. We have a solid blue light. Do we have SD card? No, we don't have the SD card, so I think that's the issue. We need a micro SD card loaded with the firmware for this console. Alright, what about this one? Does it work? Okay. Where is the power button? I am not sure. We have a cracked screen here. Not sure if this one have bar or not. But for sure we have power on this R35. Yeah. Does it turn off? It's not turning off. Okay. We have batteries for the SCP devices, which we have. I think we have 10 batteries. And a huge amount of cables, I think. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you.